Go, go, go.
That baby's got rhythm, dancing with Dad on the stairs. Sleepy, but always ready for Mom's call. What a little Even in sleep, Mom's always on the baby's mind.
Who's that? Who is that?
Friendly wave turns into a shadow scare. Too fun.
Oh, geez. Oh, say CPB. Okay, okay, hold on. Okay. I just take my boot off, okay? Is that okay? Okay, hold on. Is that better? Okay, hold on. Okay, there you coming. Okay.
Waiting for Dad like it's Christmas morning. So excited.
Is that funny?
That baby's got the best laugh. Golf just got a lot more fun.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Dynamic duo in action. One's the boss, the other's the chauffeur.
Oh no.
Have a safe flight back to the castle.
Hello.
That's a new level of dad jokes. Too funny. Well, that's one way to make a birthday memorable. Talk about a surprise.
No sleeping. I need them. No sleeping. No sleeping now. It's way.
Looks like Dad's pretend sleep is winning. Baby's got some work to do.
My poor baby.
Looks like Mom's got a tiny backup singer. Absolutely adorable.
1, 2, 3. Now you. 1, 2.
Counting with Dad. Numbers done, but head shaking required.
Who's that?
Baby's sour fruit face deserves an award. Absolutely hilarious.
Get up here, fat head.
Fight.
You what?
Fight.
I'm who?
Daddy.
Dad's teaching the ultimate dance. Duck waddle meets hip hop.
Look. Hi, baby.
Isabella!
Hey, where my...
This is the cutest pre-fight showdown ever.
Mine.
no, toy surgery needed. Batteries on.
Yeah, shall I do it? You do it then. Aye, aye. Keep going. Yeah. You do it. Oh, yeah. You do it.
Hi. Hi.
Dad wins Peekaboo Gold Medal. So cute.
Look at my. Zoom in on that. Oh.
Harakat qilyapti. Kalavatdan itarib, chirib yubormoqchi. Oxir o'zi tushib ketmasa bo'ldi.
Pepe, are you matching Dada?
That little angel with chubby cheeks makes snack time absolutely irresistible.
I once was a man from Kentucky. Oh, McDonald.
Looks like Dad's head is the new playground. Shake it faster, Dad. Baby can't wait anymore.
Hi.
The baby's right here.
Oh, looks like Dad just made a big mistake. Baby's not sharing her doll.
Give me your feet. Feet? Give me your feet.
To all the boys out there that want to be her future boyfriend.
Mini-Me's got Dad's skills, making it rain with style.
Hand. Here. Thank you. Let me see your hand. Let me see your hand.
Such a sweet moment. Dad's little princess knows how to steal his heart.